In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and approve timesheets in Xero Payroll. We'll start right from the Xero dashboard. To get to the payroll tools, open the Payroll tab. This is your central hub for anything related to employee pay, leave, and what we need today, timesheets. If you don't see payroll, make sure your organization has payroll enabled and that you have the right permissions to access it. Inside payroll, go to timesheets. This page shows current, draft, and approved timesheets, along with their statuses. It's a good place to quickly check what needs attention before a pay run. To create a new entry, select the option to add a timesheet. This opens a blank timesheet form. Start by choosing the employee you're recording time for. Use the dropdown to find the correct person. If you manage a large team, type a few letters of their name to filter the list. Always make sure you're selecting the right employee to keep payroll accurate. Next, choose the pay period. Match this to your pay calendar, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, so the hours flow correctly into your next pay run. Double check the dates, especially around public holidays or cutoff days, to avoid hours falling into the wrong cycle. Save the timesheet to create a draft. Saving early is helpful. It locks in your selected employee and period, so nothing gets lost if you navigate away. You can come back to a draft anytime before approval. Now, set the earnings rate. Click into the earnings rate field and select the correct category. For standard time, choose ordinary hours. If your organization uses different rates for overtime or special duties, they'll appear here too. But for this example, we'll stick with ordinary hours. With the rate set, enter the hours against the appropriate dates. Type hours as decimals. For example, 7.5 for 7.5 hours. If your team takes unpaid breaks, subtract those from the daily total before entering. Take a moment to review the week's total at the bottom to confirm it matches what you expect. When everything looks correct, approve the timesheet. Approval finalizes the entry so it's ready to be pulled into the next pay run. Only users with the right level of access can approve, so if you don't see the option, check with your payroll administrator. After approval, the timesheet appears as approved in the list, and you'll see a clear summary of the hours and earnings rate applied. That's it. You've navigated to payroll, opened timesheets, added a new record, selected the employee and pay period, saved your draft, set the earnings rate to ordinary hours, entered daily hours, and approved the timesheet so it's ready for payroll.